Welcome to Pure Neuro Healthy Brain Support, where we believe that a healthy brain is the key to a fulfilling life. Today, we will discuss how to support your brain health and improve your cognitive function. Pure Neuro offers a comprehensive range of products designed to nourish your brain and support its optimal functioning. Our product line includes natural supplements such as our premium blend of Bacopa monnieri, ginkgo biloba, and turmeric, known for their cognitive properties. But that's not all. Pure Neuro also offers a range of products designed to support your brain's energy needs, such as our unique blend of green tea extracts and vitamin B complex. These products are ideal for maintaining optimal brain function throughout the day. In addition to our natural supplements, we also provide a number of lifestyle options that can make a big difference to your brain health. By adopting a healthy diet, regular exercise, and stress reduction practices, you can create a solid foundation for maintaining optimal brain function. So if you want to support your brain health and unlock your full potential, look no further than Pure Neuro Healthy Brain Support. Our mission is to help you live your best life, mentally and emotionally sharp. Thank you for choosing Pure Neuro Healthy Brain Support. Let's get started on your journey to a more cognitively efficient life.